we are having 20 watt. This tube light is giving some 2000 lumens. So to lumens to watts ratio and price ratio, I found this is a very cheap. For 200 rupees I am getting 2000 lumens. This is my cage. One person asked me what cloth you are using. I am using simple ladies chunni or ladies wear to visibility, and another one is this is normal cotton cloth. So I wanted to put my tube lights here 1 2 3, and I am putting power from here. Basically I am having everything. So I have taken some one wooden thing with 3 holes. Another one is also there. So I will made 3 holes in this, and then after I will put these clips. Okay, we will be, let's check. First we have to make marks. I made mark. I am drilling here. So hole was completed. I will do for more 3. So holes was completed. Now I wanted to put clips. How I will put clips is putting vertically, so that tube light will come like this. Like this tube light will come. Screw you have to put inside. You have to put like this, and it should be vertical. And if you are having loose hole, you can use washer. You use it and close it, and you can tight it. So like this I am making frames. Okay, I will do for rest. One frame was completed. You can see 2 frames was completed. So back side of the frame will be look like this. So you have to fix these 3 tube lights here. So these are the 2000, total 6000 lumens I am using, and I am already having that one tube light, normal tube light. So most probably 8000 lumens I am getting for this cage. So I have connected parallelly, and I am getting one wire. So now I am fixing these frames to these tube lights. So framing was completed, and by my experience I have got one idea. So if you are using a wire, so ants will come like this 20, and that will come into your tube lights, and then it will go into your eggs and larvae, and it will eat them. So for that what I did is I used one cloth. In this cloth, this is fully treated with ant killer. It is called Gemaxin. So I filled this cloth with Gemaxin, and that smell is not that smell will kill ants, and it will be far away from my cage, but it is in the middle of this wire starting and ending. So if ant will come to here, and it will not cross this. If you are using grease or grease cloth or whatever it is, you can use, but I prefer Gemaxin. Means ant killer or something killer will be there, na? So you can use that. So my frame was completed. Now I am putting. Setting up my tube lights was completed. You can see there is 3 tube lights. So some people may ask me, so what is the need of this artificial tube lights, and what is the need of this frame especially? So I will tell you. Some people will tell that this frame may be useless. So the reason is I am using tube lights. Okay, tube lights will be, if you are putting this tube light, this will be bent like this. So it will be lay like this, and that light will be focused to here, not in our cage. So I am using this frame to make the light into the bottom of my cage. And why I am using lighting means outside there are too many heat waves in my area, and moreover in rainy season also I may not get this much lighting, so that I'm using this as a research. Now I have got lighting, so now I can put the light. You can see the lighting. So how it moving? So this is my lighting, and thank to all for watching my video, and provide your comments in YouTube so that I can gather all those comments in one place, and I will put a reply on your comments. And this is successful for me for some laying some eggs. Whether the eggs is little or bigger, I don't know. So by putting only two blades, I have got these eggs. Here is the eggs. Eggs. Where is my eggs? Oh, you can see. It is already started 2 days ago. They have started eggs, and we can see if there is any new eggs also there. So as I have told you, my budget is too low, so there is no zippers for me. I'm using only pins to protect them. So you can see I'm having this setup for collecting eggs, because these wooden things are cost too much for me in my local area. So now I am using this only. I have 1, 2, 3 attractants. You can see afternoon I have already collected the eggs, so it is going. So we will check. So from afternoon to now I can see one egg. We have got one egg, one cluster of egg. Where it is? It's here. It is not focusing. You can see there is a one black spot is there here. So that is eggs, and we will be opening it. Okay. So now we will be collecting egg. I will show how I am collecting. This may not be the full